In this video, we're going to be rewriting rational exponents. Remember, rational is just a fraction, and radicals. So these are related to each other. If you want to write a rational exponent as a radical, the denominator of your exponent becomes your index. So this would be written as the fifth root of 2 cubed. So the numerator stays as your exponent. The denominator becomes the index of the radical. So this could also be written as the fifth root of 2 cubed, and 2 cubed is 8. So either of these answers is acceptable. So in this one, the denominator of our exponent is 4. That becomes the index. And we're left with 4 to the exponent of 3. And then 4 cubed could also be written as 64. So 4 to the 3/4, the fourth root of 4 cubed, and the fourth root of 64 are all equal to each other. Now sometimes you'll have exponents that are written as fractions, as decimals. We need to turn them into fractions first. So 0.75 is the same as 3/4. So now we have 8 to the exponent of 3/4. The denominator of your exponent becomes the index, and we're left with 8 cubed. In this one, we have 1.5. 1.5 is equivalent to 3/2. So we have 4 to the exponent of 3/2. The denominator becomes the index, so the square root of 4 to the exponent of 3. Now you also need to know how to write these going the other way, from a radical into an exponent. So the exponent on 81 is 1. And if I want to write that, the index will become the denominator of your exponent. So this would be written as 81 to the exponent of 1/3. For the fourth root of 27, if there's no exponent written, it's a 1. The index becomes the denominator of your exponent. So it's 27 to the 1/3, or 1/3. Now another way these could be written is that you may recognize 81 as a power already. 81 is 9 squared, and 81 is also 3 to the exponent of 4. So if you rewrote those first and changed your 81, you still bring your index around as the denominator of your exponent. So this would be 9 to the exponent of 2/3. The index becomes the denominator of your exponent, 3 to the exponent of 4/3. So if you try the same thing with this one, 27 could be written as an exponent or as a power. It's 3 to the exponent of 3, or 3 cubed. The index becomes the denominator of your exponent. So it would be 3 to the exponent of 3/4. So that tells us that 3 to the 3/4, 27 to the 3rd, that should be a 4 right here. Missed that. The index is a 4. And the fourth root of 27 are all equivalent to each other.